Well, the easiest way, I think, to promote Live Good to potential, just a customer that wants to go to livegood.com and maybe look around at our products. You want to find members, people that want to spend $10 a month so that you can buy products wholesale. Okay, that's how I became a part of the Live Good family. Is I started buying super reds and super greens, but I was doing it each month, just paying normal price. But getting out my calculator, I figured that if I spend $10 a month to be a member, that I'd save about 40. Spend $10 to save $40? Oh yeah. I'm not talking trade or 2 for 1. I'm talking cash. Like going to an ATM, putting a $10 bill in and having 40, $50 come back. All right. That's just smart. And then a couple months goes by and I became an affiliate for two $20 bills. $40, guys. That's it. All right. There's no recurring. There's no levels of product you have to buy. Okay. All this that I'm telling you about is explained in a video that's already made. And if you join Live Good, and if you want to copy what I do, please do. People that copy me in my downline, they start getting people to sign up. And if they teach what I'm trying to tell you, it just seems to work. I'm going to show you how easy I think you can make your Live Good experience if you want to be, obviously, a member to buy the products, and you have to be a member to be an affiliate. So if you have a $50 bill right now, I got a nickel that's going to go back to you, because for $49.95, you can join this company, okay? This is what I do. I do videos about this every day. First, I joined Live Good for $50. Then I spent $20 for those business cards, right, that you look at there. See those little rounded corners? I think I paid 25 cents to Vista Print. I got a box that'll last me a year or two of cards. I picked their little template with the race car. I love simple font, joincory.com. I bought this for $11. So I joined Live Good for $50. Spend $20 on business cards, $11 to GoDaddy. So for less than $100, and I already had an email address. And if you're on a budget, just get a Gmail. All right, if your name is Bob, workwithbob@gmail.com. Joinbob.com. If your name is Bob Thomas, joinbobthomas.com. Play around with the domain. If they're brand new, you don't need hosting or nothing. Just spend $11 at GoDaddy. They have live operators, so you don't have to type and go in the back office and learn how to forward and all that. Just pick up the phone to GoDaddy. It's an 800 number. Tell that operator exactly what you want. So, for example, hey GoDaddy, is joincory.com available? Yes. Okay, here's my credit card. I want to buy it. Can you forward it to a certain link? Yes, Cory. What's the link? And I tell them. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Okay, just join Cory. And it goes to this exact link right here. See, my username is Cory J. Draper. Now, if yours is Bob Thomas, for example, you just tell GoDaddy, forward to this link. That way you can make a simple business card and invite people to click that link. It goes to this page, which you have built in. You can put whatever name. See where it says Cory Draper here? You can put whatever you want. I just put my name. People will watch this little YouTube video. This is where Ben talks for 5 minutes and 55 seconds. He's our CEO. He talks about everything. So if you don't want to do video, please don't. Let Ben do everything. We already have company videos you can use. They're neutral so that everyone can use them to get signups as a member, or just to get you interested, kick some tires, or become an affiliate. But watch this video. Say hi to this gentleman. Put your name in here and your email. If you want more information, click that little orange button. If you want to join, click it. Open up your Live Good video. And guys, that's it. I've been able to sign up over 400 people this way. I'll hit 500 by summer. All right, and I'm only working Live Good about maybe an hour or something a day. I like to do a couple of videos like this, upload them, put a thumbnail on, and I'm done. I have an email program that's awesome. I have tons of emails already written, so whenever 24 hours is up, I have over 125,000 emails that go out every 24 hours. A company does it all for me, and on top of that, they give me a couple $1,000. Okay, cash. Isn't that awesome? I'll show you exactly what I do. You can use the exact emails of what I send out every single day. I won't send you a bad email. If you send me your name and email address, I can verify if you join the email program. It's only $1 a day. You got $30 to get 3,000 email leads a day, or I'm sorry, a month. All right. Ooh, man. I've learned a lot over 2 years. Keep it simple. KISS. You see the band Kiss over my shoulder right here? Keep it simple, silly. All right. I love the music. Obviously, I got a bunch of Kiss memorabilia on my shelves and back. But boy, the more simple you make your Live Good business, you're going to have, number one, more time. You're not going to screw around with a bunch of ideas and, searching around for magic potions and lotions and software. All right. If you want to email, please get a hold of me. I know how to do it effectively. And they have an affiliate program where you can actually make money and they will send the emails out for you. All right. The biggest leaders or gurus in the world do exactly what I do with this email company. It's the biggest and the best. And it's cheap as hell. It's $1 a day. Okay. When you join for $50, you've got the capture page. You have the videos already made. In the back office, you can see all of our products. There's customer service. There's tracking on all of your packages. If you live outside of the United States, we're putting up distribution centers all over Canada. We're going over to the UK, obviously Asia, Africa, down to Brazil. What's going on down there, Australia? Okay. We're only a couple years old and we're going on 2 million people. That's unheard of. 1 million a year. We right now are averaging about 60,000 people signing up just in March when it's kind of dead. Holidays are over. No big holidays coming up. But once the summer starts coming, you want to get that tan rocking and that bod. You probably put on 10, 15, 20 pounds of holiday fat. We do in America. All right. You want to look a little sexy for summer, don't you? It's already 75, 80 degrees in Florida, Arizona, California. It's going to be 70 next week here in Utah. All right. Nothing wrong with looking good and feeling good. And that's why I like Live Good. Okay. Keep it simple. All right. If you have to go buy a Kiss t-shirt and wear it, look at yourself on your video and go, man, I'm complicating everything. Cory says, keep it simple, silly. Or is your name Steve or Sally? Okay. I've been called lots of things. Real bad things that start with the letter S, like it head with a sh in the beginning. I've been called that many times. Keep it simple, it head. That would be kind of funny. Just maybe I'll make me a little shirt that says that. Have a sense of humor. If you want to make TikTok and Instagram videos, great. If you don't worry about it. Use videos already made from Live Good. If you want to do a YouTube channel, do it. You don't have to be on camera like this. Use the videos that are already made. If you like to email, which I think you will like, email him because you don't have to be in front of a camera. All right, take one of my emails, write your own email, send it out. Keep it simple. If your emails are 20 words, perfect. Hey, here's something. Check it out. Thanks for your time. Let me know what you think. joincory.com. And if you want to put Cory Draper, your name at the bottom with your email address or contact info, it's up to you. But I recommend having like a Facebook page and maybe do some video where people can get to know who you are, because people join people. I firmly believe this. I've got 6 other incomes online. Live Good is one of them, and all 7 of my incomes complement Live Good. Taco shell, taco meat, cheese, red sauce, green sauce, good old sour cream. That's how I run my online business. If one business or a stream of income goes away, I still got 6. If 2 go away, I still got 5. And I'll find a couple others to replace those incomes that might be stagnant or not kicking butt. But Live Good is my end-all be-all. It's that little baby seed that needs love and sunshine and fertilizer and water. Okay? There's no better beginner business on the internet. Proof is that 1 million people per year are still signing up. Okay? 2,000-3,000 people are going to sign up today, Thursday. And on Fridays, we average about 3,000 as well. But we've been doing 60,000, 15 grand of people each week signing up. And they can only sign up if you are an affiliate. You can't sign up underneath somebody that's just thinking about signing up. Spend that $40. It's all it is. You got 2 $20 bills, you got it. Invest it in yourself. It's so cool to be an affiliate because you're a member too and you're going to enjoy the products. All right. Use the darn products. You're going to dig them. Okay. All right, guys, I will end this video in 10 minutes. That's always my goal on all my videos. If you don't mind, I like to show people my business card. Sometimes visually, it's just easier to kind of look at that business card and you can kind of get it. $20 for cards, $11 for joincory.com. Forward it to that page right there with the handsome guy and the couple running on the beach. and let this video in the middle of your screen do all the hard, if it's called heavy lifting, or if you're shy, you don't want to do video, let the video already made that's already signed up 2 million people already. All right, or does that look better? 1 and 1 or 2 or like this. Does that look cool? Like I'm a rocker. 2 million. 2 million people. There'll eventually be 10, 20, 30 million people with this company. You're in the beginning stages of greatness. Okay? All right, guys, thanks. I appreciate it. Cory at CoryDraper.com. Email me. I'm not shy. Find me on Facebook. Inbox me. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right? Okay, you guys kick ass. I'll see you soon. Next video. Take care. Bye-bye.